Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Rajput and I am a student of IIPS DAVV Indore. Today I am presenting a college assignment that is a Go Backend protocol. So first of all, I am introduce about Go Backend protocol. Here is the introduction of Go Backend protocol. So Go Backend protocol, also called Go Backend ARQ. It means automatic repeat request, in which the sending process continues to send a number of frames specified by a window size even without receiving any acknowledgement packet from the receiver. It is a data link layer protocol that uses a sliding window method for reliable and sequential delivery of data frames. It is a case of sliding window protocol having to send window size of n and receiving window size of 1. Go Backend protocol is a practical approach of sliding window protocol. So what is automatic repeat requests? System which automatically requests to retransmission of missing packets or packet that's which with error are called ARQ systems. There are three common schemes are used in ARQ. First is stop and wait. The second one is go back and third is selective repeat. Here is the explanation of go back and ARQ. Go back and ARQ is a flow control protocol where the sender continues to send several frames specified by a window size even without receiving feedback from the receiver node. It can be said that it is a special case of the general sliding window protocol where the transmitter or sender window size is n and the receiver's window size is 1, which means that it can transmit n frames to the receiving node before waiting for a feedback. Now the receiver's duty is to keep the track of sequence number of the next frame it expects to receive and sends the feedback after every data packet it receives. Once the sender has sent all the frames in its window, it makes sure that it has then received all the feedbacks of the transmitted data packets. In any case it hasn't received a feedback of any data packet and the timeout timer expires, it then resends all the data packets again, starting from the lost data packet to the final data packet. Here is the example of Go Backend ARQ. Consider a sender has to send data packets indexing from P1 to P5. It sends all the data packets in order from P1 to P5, but the receiver has only received P1 and the data packet P2 is lost somewhere in the network. Then the receiver declines all the data packets after P2, i.e. P3, P4, P5, because the receiver is waiting for packet P2 and will not accept any other data packet than that. So now as the timeout time index of P2 expires, the sender goes back to 3 packets and start sending all the data packets from P2 to P5 again. So let's understand need of Go Backend protocol. To improve efficiency of transmission, second, to send more than one frames at a time, third is to reduce waiting time of the sender. Here is the some references of Go Backend protocol. First is tutorials point, second is study tonight, third is gigs for gigs, fourth is Java point. Thank you everyone.